Hi, it's Fraser Chesterman of Futureprint. I'm here on one of the Domino stands. Actually, it's a partner stand, Grafotronic, and I'm with Morten and Russell, and they're going to explain a little bit more about this hybrid technology that stands behind us. Morten, let me just say hi to you. Thank you very much for showing us what you're doing here. Take us through the technology you've got.
Yeah, let me walk you through it. Then what we have here is our DCL platform, where we start with this is our unwinding unit, do a little web cleaning, corona treating, those kind of things. And then what we're doing here, when we begin the real interesting hybrid processes, we will be printing here on our flexo unit. We will print a register mark, which we will then pass on to the Domino N730i, and that would mean you.
Yeah, brilliant. Over to Russell.
Yeah, thank you very much, Fraser. Thanks, Morten. So yeah, I'm Russell Weller, head of product at Domino. Domino is a major player in the UV inkjet market, and we've been playing for many years now in the hybrid sector. And today we're very proud to partner with Grafotronic on our global launch, the first showing of what we call the N730i. And this is the digital engine that fits alongside of Grafotronic's flexo and analogue engines. Today we're showcasing it as a 1200 DPI setup running at full 90 meters a minute. We do have a high-speed mode that allows us to run up to 90 meters a minute as well. But we're now showcasing this in a full hybrid configuration, which allows you to run end-to-end with a finished product at the back end of that entire solution.
Oh, back to me then. So after the N730i, what we have here is a flexo station printing some, in this case, matte varnish in register, of course. Then we have our semi-rotary die cutting station, our sci-fi automatic slitting system, and our matrix rewinding. And in the end, we rewind the finished products.
I'm really interested, guys. This is really amazing technology. Gives anyone using it a great opportunity. What would you say to a customer that, you know, this delivers for them something very exciting? You've got finished product, continuous inkjet. What is it that's so good about this technology?
Yeah, and I mean, I think that's the first thing is the fact that it gives you a finished product at the back end. You know, there's not multiple steps and multiple processes that a customer has to go through. They can start with a blank roll of media and come up with a finished product at the back end, utilizing, you know, best-in-class technology from Grafotronic and also from Domino. What the digital engine, of course, offers is to you know, have variable data printing, short run, alongside of where the you know, the advantages of a flexo technology as well, which I'll allow Morten just to talk about.
Oh yeah, cheers. So I think it's also worth noticing here that this is a completely scalable solution, so it can grow with you. So you can start with a configuration that matches your current needs, and then it can grow with you because our platform is what we call forever modular. So you can add technology and functionality as your business grows, and your solution will develop with you. And again, like Russell mentioned, and I would like to stress that this is the hybrid solution offers single pass production.
Listen, thank you very much, gentlemen. Been an absolute pleasure seeing this technology. Hope that we can catch up more about this technology and find out a little bit more about it in the future. Thank you very much.